guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. If this is your first time here, then welcome. Today's video is a clean with me, and this is a deep cleaning of my dining room. We have lived in this house for about 7 months, and it is time to do a deep cleaning already. So the cleaning products that I'll be using during this video are the Method multi-purpose cleaner, in this sense pink grapefruit and also Clementine. And for the glass for my door, I will be using the Honest Company glass cleaner mixed with vinegar and water. And for my floors, I'll be using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner in the basil scent. This video is also in collaboration with my friend here on YouTube, Courtney Allison, and I will link her channel down below and above. She is also a mostly stay-at-home mom with 2 little girls, and her channel is very similar to mine. She has a lot of cleaning videos and cooking and mommy lifestyle, so go check her out when you're finished watching this video. Definitely subscribe and watch all of her videos, give her some love, and let her know that I sent you. If you're coming over from her channel, then welcome. I would love it if you would stay and hit that subscribe button. I hope that both of our cleaning videos give you some awesome cleaning motivation. Now let's get started. This hutch actually belonged to my husband's grandparents, and it was given to us actually after his grandfather passed away. But I am planning to paint it whenever I paint my dining room table, and I hope to paint them the same color, either white or gray. I'm not really sure yet. And I don't really have any like specific decorations in this hutch. So I really need some ideas and some kind of inspiration and basically some tips on how to decorate and organize a hutch. So if you guys have any ideas and would like to share, then please comment down below and let me know. These that I'm wiping off right now actually go to the light fixture that's in the dining room, but I'm planning to spray paint it because right now it's gold and I want to spray paint it silver. So I just took them off a long time ago when we first moved into the house, and I have not put them back on yet because I know I'm going to spray paint the light fixture. And I will share with you guys if you'd like for me to whenever I decide to do that. I'm just spraying down all of the chairs with the multi-surface cleaner, and I ended up getting a sponge from my kitchen sink to try to scrub away all of the stickiness and just fun stuff that you get when you have toddlers.
I'm just trying to get by. I don't know how you do it. Trying to keep you off my mind. I can't hold to it. You make it easy, but every time I fall back again. Tell me all the secrets, 'cause baby I can see the end. Don't slow down.
So I had a lot of fun trying to take the leaf out of this table, and as you can see, I'm using a vacuum. This is my Hoover Cruise cordless, and I'm getting up all of the crumbs, and there was some sprinkles from our gingerbread house at Christmas, and then I'm just spraying the multi-surface cleaner and letting it soak, and you'll see what I do next. Yes, so now I'm having to use a butter knife to scrape all of that fun sticky stuff away.
Pick up the pieces left behind. I hold on to 'em. You make it easy, but every time I fall back again. Tell me all the secrets, 'cause baby I can't see the end. Don't slow down. I just need you to say you won't let go. I will keep my heart wide open. All I ask of you, baby, keep the fire burning. Come on, keep the fire burning.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Do you guys see a pattern yet of me spraying and then letting it soak? Because there is so much stickiness going on, you guys. You just don't even know. Everything was so sticky, and it was just hard to scrub. Apparently, I need to do this at least once a month so I'm not working so hard.
But you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no. Forget what? When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, 'cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
So now I'm pulling out the big guns, aka the toothpicks, to get inside all of the little bitty crevices in my dining room table. This was by far the nastiest chair of all. There was so much food and gunk. It was disgusting. I really need to clean this thing more often. I really do, guys.
It makes sense, no. So bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
And yes, I went to Dollar General and got myself this awesome pink broom. I love it so much. It makes me happy to sweep. I know that sounds funny, but it just does. I love pink so much.
Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to head on over to Courtney Allison's channel and check out her video. I hope that it gave you some cleaning motivation and inspiration. Also, I wanted to add that I'm going to be painting this dining room table and chairs. That video will be coming up very, very soon. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.